Dubai, the city of dreams. A place where wealth flows like water and empires rise from the desert. But what if I told you there are secrets here, untold, hidden, and fiercely guarded, that the wealthiest people on this planet use to create their fortunes? You've seen the million-dollar mansions, the private jets, the luxury cars, but you don't see what they're doing behind the scenes. The game is rigged, but in the best way possible. And I'm about to reveal to you exactly how Dubai's billionaires turn everything they touch into gold. And these secrets? You can apply them today, right now, to change your life forever. The first, and most important lesson? Make decisions like your life depends on it. Let me break it down. The rich don't sit around waiting for the perfect moment. They don't sit in meetings and debate until the decision is comfortable. They make quick, bold decisions and they stick with them. Every billionaire in Dubai has faced risks, but they don't hesitate. They see opportunity and they take it, before anyone else even knows it exists. And while the world hesitates, these billionaires act. And that is why they win. Because success isn't just about knowledge. It's about speed. It's about who can take the leap first, who can make the move before everyone else is even aware of the game being played. But here's where it gets wild. It's not just about acting fast. It's about acting strategically. And this brings us to the second untold secret, the power of connection. Dubai isn't just a city, it's a networking powerhouse. The richest people here don't just connect with others to get ahead. They build elite, world-changing networks that move like a machine, constantly turning out success after success. Every billionaire knows, it's not about what you know, it's about who you know. The connections made here aren't just for show. They are intentional, they are powerful, and they are game-changing. Dubai's billionaires are building legacies, and they're doing it by surrounding themselves with the right people. But that's not the end. The third secret? It's about vision. And not just any vision, it's about seeing the future when nobody else can. Billionaires see the world not as it is, but as it could be. They aren't waiting for trends to appear. They're creating them. They build what doesn't exist, and when they do, they dominate. That's how you create an empire. While the world chases yesterday's opportunities, Dubai's billionaires invent tomorrow's. They know that success isn't a matter of luck. It's a matter of vision and execution. A vision so clear, so powerful, it becomes reality. But there's more, because the real power lies in one final secret: resilience. You think they've never failed? Think again. Every billionaire here has faced failure, doubt, and obstacles that would have crushed anyone else. But here's what sets them apart: they never stop. They don't quit when it gets tough. They know that every setback is a setup for a comeback. The key to unstoppable success isn't avoiding failure. It's embracing it, learning from it, and pushing harder every time you fall. That's how empires are built. Not by avoiding risk, but by mastering it. By outlasting the competition, by staying the course when others quit. That's why the wealthiest people in the world are in Dubai, because they know how to turn failure into fuel for their success. Here's the truth you need to understand. The rich in Dubai didn't get there by waiting for opportunities to knock. They built their own doors. And once they opened them, they didn't just walk through. They brought the world in. Every decision they make is a calculated move toward one goal: to dominate. The question now is, are you ready to stop waiting? Are you ready to take your life into your own hands and make these secrets your own? Because the richest people in the world are playing a different game, and if you want to join them, you have to start acting differently. The world is full of opportunities, but it's also full of hesitation. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. The billionaires of Dubai thrive on risk. They thrive on action. And now, it's your turn. You have the power to create your own empire. You have the power to make decisions fast, to build networks that change the game, to see a future that others can't even imagine. And if you dare to take action, if you dare to keep pushing forward no matter what, nothing will be able to stop you. This is your moment. The game is on. Will you play it? Or will you watch as others take the prize? The choice is yours. Dubai's transformation from a small desert outpost into the world's richest city is not just a tale of wealth. It's a masterclass in vision, risk-taking, and relentless execution. Dubai's journey is proof that with the right principles, you can turn even the harshest conditions into opportunities that change everything. Just a few decades ago, Dubai was nothing more than a fishing village. But then came a shift led by one man who understood that wealth is created by thinking bigger than anyone else dares to think. His name was Sheikh Rashid Al Maktoum, and his vision was simple: turn Dubai into the financial hub of the Middle East, a place where money, innovation, and opportunity would flow freely. The first key that he and the city's billionaires tapped into was leveraging resources. While other nations were focused on their natural wealth, Dubai did something brilliant: they diversified. They didn't just rely on oil. They built everything around it. They invested in infrastructure, tourism, trade, and technology. They understood that wealth comes from multiple streams, not from just one. Dubai's billionaires didn't wait for the world to change. They became the catalysts of that change. With their bold decisions, they built iconic landmarks, massive shopping malls, luxurious hotels, and the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa. But here's the kicker: they didn't just build for today. They built for the future. The second principle that Dubai's billionaires embraced was creating value that lasts. They didn't focus on quick wins. They focused on projects that would stand the test of time. The Palm Jumeirah, the Burj Al Arab, and Dubai's endless sky-reaching towers. These weren't just investments, they were symbols. Symbols of what happens when you think beyond the moment and build something that defines future generations. And that brings us to the third key principle: building relationships that multiply success. Dubai's leaders understood that success is never a solo effort. It's about who you surround yourself with, who you partner with, and who you choose to invest in. Networking isn't just about connecting with people. It's about choosing the right people to help you grow, to help you achieve things that would be impossible alone. The billionaires of Dubai formed strategic alliances that allowed them to expand faster, smarter, and more effectively than anyone else. But they didn't stop there. They tapped into the fourth principle: embracing risk and failure. Dubai's rulers never feared the unknown. They welcomed it. They built infrastructure, invested in projects, and launched ventures that seemed impossible to many. And when things didn't work out, they didn't retreat. They learned, adjusted, and moved forward. Every failure was just a lesson, and that's why Dubai's billionaires never gave up. So, how can we apply these secrets to our own lives? First, we need to start thinking bigger. Forget what's comfortable or what everyone else is doing. Think about the future. Think about what could change the world in the next decade. Then go after it. Second, create value that lasts. Don't chase quick profits. Build something that will endure, that will stand the test of time. Whether it's a business, a brand, or an investment, think long-term. Build for legacy. Third, build a network that accelerates your growth. Find people who will challenge you, support you, and help you grow. This isn't just about making connections. This is about creating powerful partnerships that turn your dreams into reality. Fourth, embrace the fear of failure. Understand that every risk you take brings you closer to success. Don't let fear stop you. Learn to see failure as a necessary step on your journey to success. The billionaires of Dubai didn't just survive failure, they used it to propel them forward. Finally, understand that wealth is not just about money. It's about creating something bigger than yourself. It's about impacting the world. And when you focus on creating wealth with purpose, you'll see how the universe opens doors for you in ways you never imagined. Dubai's billionaires built massive empires not because they had it easy, but because they were willing to take risks, invest in the future, and build value that would last forever. They built their wealth by thinking bigger, acting faster, and never backing down. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to build your empire? To create a legacy that will stand the test of time? To make bold decisions, form powerful relationships, embrace risk, and build something that the world will remember? The principles of Dubai's billionaires aren't exclusive. They're waiting for you. It's time to think like the richest people on Earth. The journey to unstoppable success starts right now. And it starts with you.